Good morning, students. In science, we are reading chapter 13. The name of the chapter is Climate, Weather, and Adaptation to Various Types of Climates. So, many of the topics from this chapter have been deleted. So, our chapter starts from this page number 202 Climate and Adaptation. So, what is climate? What is adaptation? And these have to be explained a little bit, which are there in the earlier topics. So, to start with, we must know the definition of weather and climate. What is weather and what is climate? And how animals are living in different types of weather and climate. That is adaptation. The way by which animals have adjusted to various types of weather and climate is called adaptation. Ana? Adaptation means adjustment with the surrounding. How the animals are get how the animals have been adjusted to various types of climatic regions, somewhere cold, somewhere hot, somewhere extremely rainfall, such type of places. So what is weather? We all hear the term weather. What weather indicates? What condition of the day or condition of the weather indicates the condition of the atmosphere and over an area during any time of the during any period of the day, during any period of the day. So condition of weather, on how is the condition of the weather over an area and at a particular time of the day, at a particular time of the day, yani 24 hours. So weather may vary during these 24 hours. Morning weather may be different, afternoon weather may be different, night weather night weather may be, evening weather, night weather may be different. So weather varies within a day, है ना? एक ही दिन के अंदर वेदर चेंज हो सकता है, 2-3 घंटा में वेदर बदल जा सकता है, ठीक है ना? तो वेदर बदल बदल रहा तो मतलब क्या, वेदर द वेरियस फैक्टर्स दैट कंट्रोल द वेदर. So the weather elements, we call such factors which control the weather are called the weather elements. So heat, cold, rain, then temperature, these are various factors which control the condition of weather. So weather indicates the condition of the atmosphere over an area at any particular time of the day. And what is climate? Climate indicates a long time weather. Condition of weather over 3-4 months is called the climate. Okay, suppose in our country we speak about winter climate, summer climate. Yani winter varies up to 3-4 months, summer lasts up to 3-4 months. So condition of weather over, when you consider the condition of weather for 3-4 months, then that type of condition is called climate. Okay, suppose if it is cold for 3-4 months, then we say cold climate. If it is very hot for 3-4 months, then we say a warm climate. So that those are called the climate. So climate also affected by the same weather elements, that is heat, cold, wind, rainfall, etc. These are various factors which control weather or climate. So that we have come to know about the weather and climate. Climate indicates the condition of atmosphere over an area at a particular time of the day, and climate indicates the long time weather condition, long time weather condition over an area of the year, of the day nahi, of the year. So let us start climate and adaptation. So how climate means a long time weather and a condition of weather over a long time. So climate and adaptation. So there are various places where the climate is very cold, where the climate is very hot. So how at those places the different type of animals are surviving, how they are suitably living themselves, and how have they got adjusted with such extreme type of climate. Okay, so climate of a region affects all organisms living in it. With constant changes in their environment, food chain, and climate, animals must adapt themselves to these changes or face extinction. And animals have the capacity, animals have the ability to get adjustment with various types of climates, because climate is changing, food chain is changing, animals. So since there are changes in food chain, changes in climate, animals know how to adapt to different type of climates. Animals have built up their capacity to live in different situations. Okay, that is, they have got adapted. If an animal cannot adapt to a particular surrounding, particular climate, then it will die. Suppose if an animal cannot bear too cold temperature, very less temperature, then it will die, because temperature is very less. So we shall know how to adapt to a particular place or particular climate. surrounding. So adaptation, what is adaptation? Adaptation is a trait that makes an animal suited to its environment. Adaptation is a trait मतलब जीने का कला. Adaptation is a way of life, है ना. Adaptation is a trait that makes an animal suited to its environment. It can be behavioral adaptation or a structural trait. Here are some examples. So दो तरीके से there are two ways by which animals get adapted to a particular climate or a particular area. Those are behavioral adaptation and structural adaptation. What is behavioral adaptation? They behave in such a way that they would be able to live for longer time. Structural adaptation means their body structure is such that will help them to survive at a particular climate. So mainly there are two types of adaptation. One is called the behavioral adaptation, and other is the structural adaptation. Okay. So what is behavioral adaptation? Moving in large groups is a behavioral adaptation. It helps protect the members of the group from predators. Behavioral adaptation ऐसा behave करो कि सब कोई जिंदा रहे, सब कोई सुरक्षित रहे. So those animals which cannot protect themselves from their predators or enemies, then how do they survive? They live together. They live in groups. They live in herd, just like herd of elephant, herd of cattle, a herd of deer. These are animals which don't have any self protection self protecting organ. So they stay together so that their chance of survival or chances of getting killed, and chances of survival is more or chances of getting killed is less. Okay, but if they remain alone, then they may be killed immediately. They will, if it is one, it will be caught and it will be killed by their predators or harmful animals or their enemies. So एक साथ जीने को कहता है behavioral adaptation. So moving in large groups is a behavioral adaptation. It protects the members of the group from predators. Predators मतलब they are शिकारी, यानी they are enemies. ओके. और थिक फार कोट ऑफ पोलर बियर इज स्ट्रक्चरल एडेप्टेशन. और देखो पोलर बियर जो कि पोलर एरिया में वेयर द टेम्परेचर वेरी वेरी लेस, -डिग्री माइनस टेम्परेचर में जाता है, वहाँ उस कैसे इतना आसान से जिंदा रहता है. हाउ पोलर बियर्स आर सर्वाइवल और हाउ आर दे अडेप्टेड टू सच कोल्ड क्लाइमेट? No, their body structure is such that they help them to survive in such an extreme condition. So thick fur, polar bear का body में क्या है? thick fur है, उसका बाल जो है ना, हेयर जो है दैट थिक हेयर है, और थिक हाइड है, चमड़ा भी मोटा है, और ये लेयर ऑफ ब्लबर फैट लेयर है, जिसके चलते सब उसका बॉडी टेम्परेचर निकलता नहीं है, घटता नहीं है, जितना है उतना ही रह जाता है. सो दे कैन इजीली सर्वाइव इन कोल्ड एरियाज. सो दे हैव गॉट स्ट्रक्चरल एडेप्टेशन. उसका अपने आप स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ जिसके चलते वो रह पा रहा है. ठीक है. और जिसका अपने बचने का कोई उपाय नहीं हो, दे लिव इन ग्रुप, दे अडॉप्ट बिहेवियरल टाइप ऑफ एडेप्टेशन. ओके. और those, suppose we go some places, suppose we go to polar area, then we shall have to try to adjust, otherwise we shall die. Okay, so we carry our winter clothes, which can protect us from extreme cold. So we try to adjust, we try to adapt to such type of conditions. Human beings or animals try to get adjust or get adapt to a particular climate. So adaptation usually occur over a long period of time. लेकिन adapt करने के लिए हम सब अगर polar region में जाएंगे, हम सबको बहुत दिन रहना पड़ेगा, तो अब adapt धीरे धीरे होगा. ठीक है. We shall now talk about the adaptation of animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforest. So now let us come to know how the animals are surviving in the polar regions and tropical rainforests. So polar regions are the areas of the globe surrounding the poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Polar regions, they are also known as the frigid zones. Climatic zones are there, arid zone, frigid zone, temperate zone. So these polar regions, they have the frigid zones. Things are water is there in the frozen condition. That is why that is called frigid zone. Polar regions are very cold. Water, if there, it is under frozen condition. That is why they are also called frigid zone. These North Pole and South Pole. These regions, resting respectively on the Arctic Ocean and the continent of Antarctica, are dominated by the polar ice caps. So these regions, resting respectively on the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic and continent of Antarctica, are dominated by polar ice caps. तो ऐसा एरिया में पोलर रीजन में क्या है? पोलर आइस कैप्स है, यानी आइस का ही पहाड़ है, आइस का ही ओशन है या सीज है. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स या अलास्का, कनाडा, ग्रीनलैंड, स्वीडन, फिनलैंड, नॉर्वे, रशिया, Siberian region are some of the countries that have some that has some of their parts in this region. तो ये पोलर रीजन में ये सारे कंट्रीज का कुछ कुछ हिस्सा है. अब देखो, so these regions are very cold. Coldest temperature even ever known on earth is minus 89 degree Celsius was recorded in Antarctica. Antarctica में इतना कम टेम्परेचर भी नापा गया था. The average winter temperature in the Arctic is about minus 30, है ना, आर्टिक रीजन यानी नॉर्थ पोलर रीजन. द एवरेज टेम्परेचर इन द आर्टिक region is about minus 30 degree Celsius. In winter, the seas surrounding surrounding Antarctica freezes into solid snow. In winter, seas surrounding Antarctica freezes into solid snow that covers an area almost as big as the continent. पूरा continent Antarctica ढक जाता है आइस से. At the poles, the sun shines for half of the year and it is dark for other half of the year. Sunlight भी चूंकि बहुत दूर होता है ना, polar sunlight कम मिलती है. Polar bear, penguin, reindeer, seal, whale and walrus are some animals found in such regions. Okay, let us now find how these animals are able to survive in such regions having such severe and extreme conditions. तो देखो आप ग्लोब में भी दिखाते हैं फ्रिजिड जोन कौन कौन है या पोलर रीजन. देखो दिस इज द ग्लोब. हाँ, तो ग्लोब का इतना हिस्सा देखो, ये हिस्सा हो जाएगा नॉर्थ पोलर रीजन या आर्टिक रीजन, और इधर हिस्सा लोअर हिस्सा देखो कि लोअर पार्ट जो है ये हिस्सा हो जाएगा एंटार्क्टिक, है ना, द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ एंटार्क्टिका. ओके, सो ऑल दीज प्लेसेस हैव वेरी कोल्ड टेम्परेचर एंड इज नोन एज द पोलर रीजन्स. देखो रशिया है, रशिया के बाद क्या है, रशिया एंड ऑल दिस पोलैंड, फिनलैंड, देन इज योर अलास्का, है नॉर्दर्न अमेरिका या यूएसएसआर. इस तरह से ये सारे दीज आर ऑल पोलर रीजन्स.